So my story working with Dr. Ty was really one of immediate pain and need. I was gardening in my backyard and just bending, twisting, and right then and there, I couldn't stand up. I couldn't sit down, I couldn't walk, I couldn't do a lot of things. So super painful. Literally laying on the backyard on my phone, it was on me, of course, and called a girlfriend of mine who worked with Dr. Ty literally 3-4 weeks earlier with a very similar situation. And I was like, I need his number. I need this. You were telling me the story. Like, I need to call this guy. I don't even know who he is. I just need to call him. And so got a hold of him. It was a Saturday morning. He was out of town, said, make an appointment first thing Monday, get in. He did give me a couple of tips and pointers, like if I go anywhere else to try and get care, make sure they do an x-ray and that sort of thing. And I actually did find an office that could get me in on Saturday morning. And it was just an interesting kind of experience. It didn't give me any comfort or help alleviate the pain, and there were no x-rays. And so just kind of the care level that I got coming to Denver upper cervical, I think was really amazing. And again, meeting Dr. Ty, just a really great working experience right off the bat when you're in a lot of pain and you're not feeling like you want to be feeling. And so it was a great experience in that respect. So I came in with severe lower back pain, again from gardening, and just the ability to come to an office, meet with a doctor who I didn't even know, but puts you right into x-rays, was studying those. I think we actually did a couple different sets of x-rays in that first visit. I was here for about an hour and a half maybe, which is, again, I feel kind of unheard of in the chiropractic profession, but Dr. Ty was great. Kind of walking me through what's going on, explaining the upper cervical piece, explaining my lower back pain issues, and then really working on getting that to a point where I didn't have to come in, at so frequently. I was here about a couple times a week, and then it went to every couple weeks. But in 2 weeks, my problem was solved, and that was really, really amazing because it was super painful. The pain of just simple everyday tasks, sitting, standing, putting on pants, that sort of thing, was just excruciating. And I was going to do whatever it takes to help solve that problem. And thankfully, Dr. Ty was that solution to that. I enjoy coming here. I feel like, again, some offices I've been to in the past you're in a waiting room with a ton of people and you're, just a number, go in and come out and pay your copay and be on your way. But here it's a little different. You're really greeted by warm people right off the bat, and Dr. Ty is kind of always popping around somewhere, whether with a client, he says hi and greets you or not. The technology's great. Again, my very first visit, it was like, okay, we're going right for x-rays. And some of the x-rays, supplemental x-rays were needed to kind of really understand the problem, what was going on. And then when you're here for your visit, they got the big screens and the x-rays are right there. And so I'm actually looking at these lines on my body. I think what I've really appreciated, it's been probably 3-4 months since this incident has happened, and I still come in and it's a much lower frequency, but again, it's giving me confidence that in my day-to-day that I'm not gonna have a problem like this, because it took me down for about 2 weeks. There was pain and tears trying to put pants on, and that's just not something you want to go through every day when you're waking up and starting your day. So again, I'm super thankful for the care he's given, and really looking at kind of, again, a unique case in which we're not really sure what it is, but solving the problem, which was obviously my #1 goal. So.